Before we start this video, I want to thank you all for watching and subscribing to my channel. And I'm going to tell you the Taiwan KOM Challenge Spring Edition is now open for registration. So get your ass up there, start training. It will be on April 23 and go register yourself. I'll put a link down below on the Taiwan KOM Road to Taiwan KOM Challenge. Alright, start the video.
Don't let yourself drop till your heart stops. Let this beat rock. Got a new clock and a new stock for this new rock. Just let your mind loose from the new stuff. Drunk off the goose, thinking that I'm too pop. Getting caught with a few thoughts, cause I'm too raw. Off the speakers can't even handle me. Even what I got, nobody's gonna drain my energy. And I will never stop, I'm motivated by enemies. Setting up shop so everybody...
Nay! Hanggang sa taas pa kami. Anong pa yung bituka? Kita mo barrier na ni. Di mawatan nga gradient. Oh my god. Okay lang na, okay lang, enjoy naman yung view. Ayan. Enjoy the view. Ayan, let's back. Ito yung famous yung area na to. Yan, ang ganda oh. Diba? Ang ganda pero ang sakit. Oh my god, look at that. Very steep. Oh. Lord. Oh no! Oh god! Thank you. I still have 32. 32 pa kami. Nak-i-video nga to. %. 14%? Grabe! Gradient 14%. Let's stop here and show you the switchback. Look at that. Makita na dito. Ang problema, paano ko mag-clip in? Ang style, banatan niyo yung sideways, like sideways, because this is a steep hill right now. Go sideways to clip in easily. Oh my god, look at the car. Oh, look at that beautiful sakura. So here's the tip: go sideways to clip in and then go. Just make sure there's no car coming in on this direction or this one, okay? Do it sideways, like that. See? Just make sure you are on a very low gear, then yeah, it's easier to get back into your cleats, especially on the steep ascents. There you go. Clip back in. Now let's go chase Alan. He's way up there grinding again.